In 2022, the combined revenue of KFC, McDonald's and Walmart was more than $600 billion. Yes, $600 billion. A revenue that can alone take care of the 20% budget of the US. But this is not the most astonishing part. What we must notice is the age of the people who founded all these business giants. KFC founder, Colonel Harlan Sanders, was 62 when he started franchising KFC. McDonald's founder, Ray Kroc, was 53 when he first heard about the McDonald's brothers, and Sam Walton's first Walmart store was opened when he was 43 years old. So it's never too late to learn how to create wealth. And in this video, we are going to give you 5 amazing reasons that further prove this fact right. Don't forget to watch till the end because the last one can instantly transform your life. Believe in yourself. The time has changed, and traditional systems are shattering to create millionaires each day. So if they can do it, why can't you? So what